Where are we going?
Ça sert à rien de sentir bonne à New York.
Nice.
OK. As-tu quelque chose à rajouter dans le pack? Comment que ça avait été rentrer au dépanneur, Larry?
Oh, yeah, this is very typical. Me and Mary Pierre standing outside of the door, ringing the bell because the door is locked, but it wasn't locked. It's just one door, and the other door is open. But we stayed there, standing, and the guy inside was just staring at us, and we look stupid. So we're tourists, even in our hometown.
Oui, la porte est débarrée.
We're on our way to New York, where we parked the car, and now we gotta wait for our bus. So this is fun because we could see each other. We could see that we're, you know what I mean?
Right.
It's not a guess. You want quelque chose à manger?
Dans le fond, on va dormir pour le début. Qu'est-ce que tu penses?
Good idea. Right up there. Okay, so we're at we just went through customs at the border. We're waiting. Beautiful view. So we're like 2 hours away from New York. We stopped to eat at an IHOP.
Ça a été vite. Ça a été vite.
Je te suis. Cheese. So we just stopped at a rest stop. We're about 45 minutes from New York, and then that's the end of the bus trip. Well, the bus ride on the highway, but then we got bus tours. We got all kinds of things coming. Looking forward to it. This place is pretty nice. It's one of the nicer rest stops.
We were catching the light from the window. Looking up, you were driving slow. I can see through it all with my eyes closed. We were never meant to be alone. There was a part of me that couldn't let go. Needed remembering I'm not on my own. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. deep inside my mirror. I'm filling up rooms in your head, flying through it all like an arrow. I'm feeling like myself again. There was a part of you that couldn't let go. Needed remembering we're not on our own. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window.
So right now we're in New York. We're at St. Pat's Bar and Grill on a terrace in the middle of buildings, in the middle of the city. It's pretty sick. I've eaten here before, but never in this spot. And this spot is awesome. I don't know why we didn't eat here before. This is the best spot in the house by far.
So, speak to the camera so far in New York.
À date, on a marché un petit peu avec le guide, puis rendu à la cathédrale, on a décidé d'aller magasiner un petit peu, s'acheter chacun une paire de souliers pour mieux marcher en fin de semaine. Étant donné que ça va être à Derek dans quelques jours, ben, une paire de souliers aussi.
Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window.
That's day one. Off to New Jersey to our hotel room. Gotta get our card, key. We get into our room, take a nice shower. Tomorrow we're up early, and we got a big day.